Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to walk you through how to access Discovery shows on Amazon channels. It's easier than you might think, and you'll be binging your favorite shows in no time. First things first, you'll need an Amazon Prime membership. Amazon Channels is an add-on service for Prime members, so make sure you're signed up for that. If you already have Prime, great. Let's move on. Next, go to the Amazon website or open the Amazon Prime Video app on your device. You can do this on your smart TV, phone, tablet, or computer, whatever works best for you. Once you're in Amazon Prime Video, look for the Channels section. It's usually located in the main menu or on the navigation bar. Sometimes it's labeled Prime Video Channels. Once you've found the Channels section, you'll see a variety of different subscription options. You're looking for the Discovery Plus channel. You might need to scroll through the list or use the search bar to find it quickly. Just type in Discovery Plus, and it should pop right up. Now, click on the Discovery Plus channel. You'll be taken to a page where you can learn more about the channel and what it offers. Here, you'll see the option to subscribe to Discovery Plus. Just click on the Subscribe button. You may be prompted to confirm your payment method and subscription details. Go ahead and confirm those details. After you've subscribed, the Discovery Plus content will become available within your Amazon Prime Video account. You can now browse through all the Discovery shows and documentaries that are available on the channel. Start watching your favorite shows right away. You can search for specific shows using the search bar within Prime Video or browse by genre or category. Enjoy! If you ever want to cancel your Discovery Plus subscription through Amazon channels, you can do so easily through your Amazon account settings. Just go to Your Account, then Memberships and Subscriptions, and find your Discovery Plus subscription to manage it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.